So how do you keep your Xbox 360 from overheating? Well, I have a simple answer to that. You just put a crap load of fans on it. I cut a hole in the top and put a 80mm fan on top, blowing straight down into the heat sinks. And I put dual Xbox fans on the side, applied on with hot glue. Very, very fancy, I know. And Xbox 360 Nico intercooler. Oh no, the intercoolers are bad. Well, this one is really not that bad for it. Here I have a 12 volt 1 amp lead coming off of a old router power supply that I had laying around. I wired it up to these fans here, and so I have the 3 fans in the back pulling air out, and 2 fans on the side and 1 on the top pushing air in. And the intercooler is completely independent now. It does not work with the actual Xbox power cord. It works on its own power supply. It is quite loud and quite annoying. Annoying in the fact that I have to actually plug in a different power supply for the extra fans to function. So yeah, it moves a lot of air. And that's my Xbox right there.